Welcome to Food Talk with Sherin. Cupcakes are an easy alternative to cakes when you're lazy to line your cake tin. That's what I say. Now, today let me share with you the recipe of orange and chocolate cupcakes. This is loaded with chocolate flavor with that subtle orange flavor in it as well. And oranges and chocolates pair beautifully. We all know that. So let's quickly check out the recipe. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click the tiny bell icon and turn on all notifications. The batter for these orange and chocolate cupcakes comes together in a single bowl. So into your mixing bowl, add egg and the measured quantity of sugar and whisk this together. To this, let's add oil and milk and whisk it again. Next goes in some orange juice and orange zest. So this is what gives it that beautiful orangey flavor. Whisk this all so that your wet batter is lump-free. Into this, let's sieve in some all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder and a tiny pinch of salt. Fold this properly into the wet batter. And now let's transfer this to a lined muffin or cupcake tray. And these cupcakes bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes. So when you start preparing the batter, make sure you've kept your oven for preheating as well. And once baked, take it out. Make sure you've cooled it completely before you unmold it. So I hope you've liked this recipe and will certainly try it out.